Jai Hind everyone. Let us revise our previous topic, the Brahmaputra Basin. In Brahmaputra Basin, the Brahmaputra river starts from the Tibet and it known as the Tsangpo, and it flows parallel in the Himalayas and enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and is flow through the valley of Assam and turns south to enter Bangladesh, where it meets river Padma as distributary of the river Ganga. Distributary means the river which is coming from the main river, it is called distributary, and the Brahmaputra Ganga river form the largest delta in the world. It is called Sundarban Delta and the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta also. It is also one of the most fertile region of the country, thus earning of the nickname the Green Delta. The major crops grown here rice, jute, maize, pulses and oil seeds are there. Okay, and today we are going to start our new topic, the Indus River Basin. The river Indus and its five tributaries such as Jhelum and Chenab, Ravi, Bees and Satluj from the vast fertile tract of the western part of the northern plains of India. The river Indus River and its helping rivers which are tributaries are form have five tributaries, means five small helping rivers are there, which are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beans and Satluj form a vast fertile region of the this part northern plains of India, and all these tributaries and Indus river itself originate from the Trans Himalayas region and almighty rivers, means all these tributaries, all five helping rivers and Indus river also originate from the Trans Himalayas, and these mighty rivers means great rivers, and the Satluj, Ravi and Beas contribute to the Indian share of the Indus basin. These start from Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, lies in the part agriculture is the main occupation of this region. The Satluj, Ravi and Beas contribute to the Indian share of the Indus basin, and the states of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal lies in this part of agriculture is the main occupation of this region. Since the amount of rainfall is less here, the numbers of irrigation canals are dug out of the rivers. Since the amount of rainfall less here, means amount of rainfall is less here, not too much rainfall, that's why crops needs irrigation, and irrigation canals dug from these rivers for irrigation purpose, and Bhakra Nangal Dam built across the river Satluj, it famous for hydroelectricity production and irrigation. Bhakra Nangal Bandh is a famous dam and built across the river Satluj, and it is famous for hydroelectricity, means electricity produced from the water is called hydroelectricity. It produces electricity and it water used for irrigation purpose. The major crops are grown around the basin are wheat, pulses, barley, maize, rice and sugar cane. Some of the important cities of the region are Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Patiala, Ludhiana, Ambala and Amritsar. The major crops are grown around the basin. Around the Indus basin are wheat, pulses, barley, maize, rice and sugarcane, and some of the important cities of the region are important cities which are lying on these regions are Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Patna, Ludhiana, Ambala and Amritsar. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.